guardians, my dear brothers and sisters. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I did like to introduce myself before you. My name is Sadia. I am 9 years old. I am a student. I am studying in Noorani department in Al-Karim Darul Ulum Qawmi Madrasa. I want to be a Dai of Islam. I am from Manikganj, but I live in Gazipur. My father's name is Ahmad Sharif. He is a worker. My mother's name is Sufia Begum. She is a housewife. By the way, now I will present before you Suratul Ikhlas in Arabic and Bengali, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم আমি আল্লাহর নিকট হইতে আশ্রয় প্রার্থনা করিতেছি অভিশপ্ত